So as I was saying, there's an internship inside Buffet and they're still looking for people Buffet. I will also post this but in the post lana lana screen ukuze nibone bafethu. So lana it African Breeze property group, we are looking for you. Now we are hiring. Basic training will be offered by the agency. Send your resume or send your resume to info. You can send it to africanbreeze.co.za, or you can call the company at 011-204-3809 bafethu, or main office. You can call the main office at 081-307-8316. Riverside View call, you can call at 067-633-729 bafethu. Na iplug bafethu African Breeze property group bafethu. Amanamba phone angaka bafethu. Send your email manje ungaphuthela bafethu. Opportunity lena, you're gonna get bathini on the internship. There is a stipend bakufundisa, and then at the end of the internship bafethu, you're gonna get a certificate bafethu. After getting the certificate, you're gonna be able to be your own agent to sell bafethu. And you can also sell while we are on the internship bafethu. While you sell, if you sell a property, you get a certain percentage bafethu. People who are from around Ipo, Nickelfontein, Ivory Park, there is an office there bafethu next to Lifestyle bafethu. Iplu uzebona mawuvela kanje from Spa, uzebona ibhaliwe African Breeze property group. Mawuvela kanje from Tsoloso, uzebona naye still next to Kawashi ibhaliwe African Breeze. You can go there, drop your CV bafethu.
Mawuyesha uyale, it's on your left, it's on your right hand side.
Okay.
Okay.
A requirement matric bafethu. The requirement is only matric bafethu. So ungaphuthela bafethu, ungahlala ekhaya uzothatha senplug. Siyanplug at Facts and Laughs bafethu, uyangithola. Yeah. So I'm gonna advertise after